Hello everyone. Today we will discuss avian flu. Avian flu. So the avian flu, another name bird flu. Bird flu. Avian flu means a bird flu. So they are the poultry birds. Poultry birds major affecting the bird flu disease. The poultry birds majorly affecting the disease, bird flu disease. So this disease very harmful to humans, very harmful to humans. So they are the bird flu disease or avian flu disease. So they are the very harmful to humans, very harmful to humans. So the avian flu, bird flu disease is the pandemic disease. The bird flu disease is the pandemic disease. Bird flu disease is the pandemic disease. Next one, so they are the causative organism. So they are the bird flu disease causative organism. Causative organisms. So the causative organism, so the bird flu is caused by the avian flu virus. Bird flu is caused by the avian flu. Avian flu virus. So bird flu is caused by the avian flu virus. So the avian flu virus name H5N1. So the H5N1. So the avian flu disease caused by the avian flu virus. The another name is H5N1 virus. H5N1 virus. H5N1 virus. The virus that causes the bird infection infects humans too. So they are these disease, avian flu disease. First they are causing to the birds. So they are birds transfer from the birds to human beings. First this disease causing to the birds. Avian flu disease first causing to the birds. After birds to transfer human beings. Birds to transfer to human beings. It can be start a worldwide pandemic disease. So it is a worldwide pandemic disease. Next one, mode of infection. Next one, mode of infection. So they are the mode of infection. So the bird flu virus mode of infection. So these are the infection may be the spread simply by touching of contaminated surfaces. Touching of contaminated surfaces. Touching of contaminated surfaces. Contaminated surfaces. So they are the mode of infection, touching of contaminated surfaces. Touching of contaminated surfaces. So they are the simply spreading. So the one person to another, birds to human beings. So spreading only touching of the contaminated surfaces. Touching of contaminated surfaces. Next one. So they are infected by so their influenza continue to release the virus in their fecus and saliva. They are continuous releasing to the continuous spreading from these birds through the fecus and saliva. Fecus and saliva. So the one affected bird, there this infection releases from the fecus and saliva. 10 days releasing. 10 days they are releasing to the fecus and saliva. Long as 10 days. Next one, symptoms. So the avian flu symptoms. Symptoms. So the symptoms means, so these avian flu symptom, cough. Avian flu symptoms, cough, difficulty in breathing, cough, difficulty in breathing, cough, difficulty in breathing, fever. So the headache, anasia, headache, fever, anasia, muscle ache, muscle ache. So they are the symptoms. So the difficulty in breathing, cough, fever, headache. So they are the symptoms of avian flu. Next one, prevention. Next one, prevention. So the avian flu prevention. So this prevention, so they are the avoiding consumption of undercooked food, means so they are particularly eating complete food preparation. So the uncooked food, do not eat to the uncooked food. So they are the spreading from the disease. So they are the complete chicken cook 70 degrees centigrade, 70 degrees centigrade temperature cooked after eating to the chicken. So the avian flu virus is dying. So that do not spreading to the avian flu virus. Next one, so they are the poultry management workers, poultry farm workers. They are using to the proper materials, proper dress materials and proper mask, using from the proper dress materials and proper masks. Next one, so they are the disease birds affecting the birds. So they are the biting or burning of the birds, biting or burnings of the birds. So they are the prevention of avian flu virus, bird flu virus. 4 marks, very very important question. First one, avian bird flu disease. So they are the majorly affecting of the poultry birds. So they are the causative organism. So they are the organism avian flu virus. The other name H5N1 virus, H5N1 virus. So they are the mode of infection, touching of contaminated surface areas, touching of contaminated surface areas. So they are the affected birds, they are releasing to the fecals and through the saliva, long 10 days they are releasing to the virus. Next one, so they are the symptoms, cough, difficulty in breathing, fever, muscle ache. So they are the symptoms of the avian flu. Prevention, complete undercooked food is eating. Next one, using proper cloths and masks, and affected birds, the biting or burning of the birds. So they are the avian flu virus. Next one, another 4 marks, a very very important question, mite. Mite. Mite, 4 marks, very very important question. Mite means multiple ovulation embryo transfer, multiple ovulation and embryo transfer, multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. So the first one, a cow. So the cow inject to the FSH, follicle stimulating hormones. Cow, select a cow. These processes work out in the animals. Selected cow inject FSH, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. So these cow, they are releasing multiple ovulation. Multiple ovulation means they are releasing to the 6 to 8 eggs. 6 to 8 eggs. Normally, one menstrual cycle, the cow releasing only one egg. One menstrual cycle, the cow releasing only one egg. But so the injection of FSH, the cow injecting of the follicle stimulating hormone, the cow in the same time, on one menstrual cycle time, they are releasing to the 6 to 8 eggs. They are releasing 6 to 8 eggs. So they are the multiple ovulation, 6 to 8 eggs. So the after the cow, so they are the crossing of the bull, selecting the crossing of the selected bull or artificial insemination. Artificial insemination. So they are the crossing of the bull or artificial insemination. So the after insemination, the cow, the egg stage, so the embryo stage 16 to 32 stage, cell division stage, 16 to 32 stage. So they are taken out of the embryo. So this embryo transfer to the another cow. Transfer another cow. So this cow is called as surrogate mother. Surrogate mother. Totally 6 to 8 babies are formation. So the cow injection of FSH, follicle stimulating hormone injection of the cow. So the cow at the same time, the normally one menstrual cycle time releasing only one egg, but injection of FSH, that cow they are releasing 6 to 8 eggs in the same time, 6 to 8 eggs. So after, so they are crossing of the bull or artificial insemination. So they are the taken out of the embryo, the stage 16 to 32 cell division stage. That 6 or 8 embryos transfer to the another cow's embryo, transfer to the another cow embryos. So these are that cow is called as surrogate mother, surrogate mother. So they are the more production. So they are the only possible in cows and goats. So they are the multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. So the another cow is called as surrogate mother. So they are the avian flu and moit.